Hello, YouTube. I'm Eli the Fatigued. I'm over on Twitch playing some more games. We're playing some more Cataclysm Dark Days Ahead. And in this episode, we're going to try and get the vehicle welding rig set up. That would be good. And then we might search around for a solar vehicle or something to get some solar panels and storage batteries off of. I don't think I have enough resources to make a storage battery. Large storage battery, medium storage battery. Bunch of small storage batteries, electronic scrap. I don't think I can craft small storage. Oh wow, the cases require torches. Wow, okay. I see how this game. Alright. I can't make small storage. Unfortunate. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to go find some solar vehicles. Right. The welding rig. The welding rig requires the kit, requires a soldering iron. That's easy, just get one. Three that I have. Unload. Oops. Unload. Drop that battery there. And welding component kit. I need a frame, I believe. This is kind of gonna become the scrap vehicle. Scrap vehicle anyway, so with all the cargo spaces in it. Dang. Oh, yep, there's one. Nice. Metal saw. Do I not have my hacksaw? Dang it. I got two. Why didn't I have one on me? There we go. Alright. So, better door should give. Nope, sheet metal. Roof, sheet metal. Sheet metal. What? Huh. I feel like that's new. Maybe it's just something to do with this vehicle. I don't know. Whatever. Anyway, got probably go ahead and take out that cargo space. We can go and put it in the Humvee once we have this set up. I don't have stuff for seeds set up. I'll just fit them here. Alright. And welding rig? Oh, I need an assembling torch. I should have one. Yeah, right there. I should have some extra. Yeah. Vehicle welding rig. Nice. Get off that trunk. Seat. Put in the welding rig. Just needs bolt turn. Nice. This. Glare protection. Oh, I have my welding goggles. I don't know if these actually do anything, but I'm gonna have them just in case. Never used one of the discount cards when buying gas, so anyway. That cargo space. Boom. To the arc welder. That's got plenty of battery in this time. Cargo space. Okay. I can actually put all three in now. Trunk. And trunk. Space. Wait, no. I probably should not be using the acetylene torch now that I think about it. Arc welder, that's what I want. There we go. There. Drop the acetylene torch now that I've got the arc welder going. Fix the controls. They definitely need to be fixed. That's for sure. Up the front end a bit. Taking longer because let's fix that. Yeah, that's what I thought. Maybe. %50 battery. $46. 2. 34. Make sure I have enough to start the vehicle. Okay. I should not do any more. GP8 for battery. Yeah, it's fine. Oh. Oh. Okay, now I have plenty of headlight. That's yeah, fix the draining tank. There we go. Alright. Very nice. Now weary, so definitely go in there, eat food, drink liquid, go to sleep. Um, don't care if maybe using rotten ingredients. There we go. That way, it's still useful. Um, all that meat is gonna go bad if I'm not careful. Probably shouldn't put the medical supplies next to. Yeah. Let's move armor. Hold on. Armor over there. And chemical. And chemical drugs. There we go. Now I should be able to come over here. Wait, blah blah. Blob should not be other. Rawhide and bonus. Mushy yogurt. Delicious. Alright. Make some more jerky. 9 hours, 54 minutes. Oh gosh, yeah, let's do it. Make sure all that meat that's there doesn't go to waste. Very weary. Huh? Alright. I guess crafting, despite being light, can still wear. Well, no, I did all that repairing to the vehicle. That would probably wore me out more than the crafting. Extreme weariness. Ooh, brutal. Wonder if you can die from weariness. Let's not find out, huh? Come on, finish crafting. Thank you. Well, the rest of it, that meat's gonna go bad, but I saved a good amount of it. Veggie pizzas and milk. Delicious. Oh no! All of my blankets. Hmm. Forgot about that. That's why I removed that one. I remember now. Brutal. I love it. Let's sleep. I probably should have taken my earplugs out. Oh well. I'm no longer extremely or very weary, just moderately weary. Or just weary. Now moderately weary. It's going back up to fresh really quickly. Happy about that. Guess I just really needed a rest, huh? Nice. Till tonight. Chunk of meats are still okay. Well, maybe I can do something with them. Let's try doing 10. Won't be able to do all of them, but I'll be able to do some. Still says about 3 hours. Maybe I can do more than 10. Do 20. Probably because it's cold, quote unquote cold in here, despite the fire. Well, okay, to be fair, the fire is preventing it from freezing. That's the thing. As it is cold in here because the fire's roaring, so it's not freezing instead of yeah. Yeah, instead of freezing, it's just cold. Yeah, looks about 3 hours. I can make some more. Gotta love refrigerated food. I'm so glad I don't have those mandibles anymore. That was so bad. Able to save a good chunk of it. Haha, because it's chunks of meat. Get it? Ah. I feel like I need to do something else though. Which I don't want to waste that meat. I saved a lot of it. So let's make something. Fruit and vinegar, salt and liver. Never had foie gras before. That sounds weird. I don't know if I like that. Uh, Salt. Don't have a lot of pumpkin, I guess. Pumpkin and liver. That sounds awful. Oh gosh, that sounds horrifying, and I'm gonna eat it. Is there any joy? Plus 19 joy for eating. Sorry, just pumpkin, liver, vinegar, and salt. I don't know. I don't know if that. I don't know if I could do that, man. That's just nasty. Well, my character was hungry, so I had to eat something. Got a bunch of BLTs that I should eat. Probably should eat those. All right. Probably take out my earplugs too. That's a thing. No, I mean to take off that. All right. Hey, I can actually hear. Um, Probably. No, wait. I can compare it with. No, because all my resources are in here. Activating soldering iron, repair, hard arm guard, plastic chunk. Yeah. And I don't have the plastic mold. Glass. There we go. I have these plastic bottles. Oh, that's probably make more sourdough now. Glass jar. Oh, those are 3-liter glass jars. That's fair. I can't disassemble this? What? I can't even cut them up? Excuse me? What? You can't take apart plastic bottles for plastic chunks anymore? When did that happen? Necessary tools to disassemble any items here. What? stupid. That is legitimately stupid. Alright, whatever. How about jugs? Do I have jugs in here? Yeah. There we go. Cut up a gallon jug. Cut up a... yeah. The accent. Need to do the thing with the tailor's kit. Hair. Fingerless glove. Fingerless gloves definitely take a lot of beating since I'm melee. Probably, ooh, enforced. I should probably see about... oh no, my crit trousers. No! Kevlar. Just straight up Kevlar sheet. Kevlar. Yeah. Cut up these layered Kevlar plating. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Also, I love the fact that I can repair my gloves while I'm wearing them. One-handed sewing, ambidextrous one-handed sewing. Now that's a talent. I'm so glad I picked up that layered Kevlar from the crafting shop. That came in so handy. Because these pants are super good. They're like top of the line stuff. Yeah, let me go. Not do that. Just use it for tags, that's fine. Leather patch. Yeah, I'll do it anyway. Lycra, right? Lycra patch. Okay. Butane, alright. Okay. So, we've got... sorry, that just caught my eye, because the guards and the thugs and the bandits are all in the same spot. It keeps swapping between colors, and it's, like, throwing me off. Yeah, anyway. So, yeah. We have vehicle set up with the welding rig, and the cargo from the cube van. Unfortunately, there was... where is drug lab, the mobile meth lab. I don't remember where that was. I don't think I... yeah, I don't think I memorized... oh, wait. Motorcycle, never mind. Yeah, I didn't put a marker where it was. Oh, it's up here. So that's the limousine with the mini fridge. We're gonna have to go looking around for solar panels, storage batteries, a kitchen unit / chemistry station. I need to end the YouTube episode. Whoops. YouTube, thank you for joining us. I have been Eli the Fatigued. Don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe to this. If you've enjoyed any part of this episode, it really does support my channel, and I do appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye, YouTube.